Hey, welcome back to Tracy Creates Dishes. Let's make some crunchy, sweet cobweb pancakes. Sift in a bowl 2/3 of a cup of plain flour, 1/4 of a cup corn flour, 1/4 of a cup rice flour, 1/4 of a cup icing sugar, and a good pinch of salt. Sift. Whisk to combine. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2/3 of a cup of water. Whisk. Pour batter into a piping bag. Spray a small amount of oil into the pan. Spread with paper towel. Snip the tip off the piping bag. In a circular motion, pipe pancake batter around the pan. Cook over low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Roll the cobweb pancake. Use all the cobweb batter to make more crispy cobweb pancakes. Subscribe and like. Also comment below the last dessert you ate.